Hey guys, Jeff, Retro Rides. Working on a Lincoln today. 65 Lincoln. Came in as a no start, carburetor problem, and now we have the carburetor off and apart. It's an old AFB or Edelbrock style carburetor, and the accelerator pump was no good, so it's kind of falling apart. So, trying to find one. Kits are about a week out for it, but I think I found a diaphragm that I can put on this accelerator pump to make it work. We'll see. Fingers crossed. But I did start it. Sounds pretty good. You know, you can tell it's kind of an older motor, and it's got a little clatter here and there, but a little smoke. But other than that, it's a pretty cool car. I guess the dude's owned it for like 20 years. It's been like down to Texas and over several other states. So kind of a neat deal. Not a real common car. Most of those cars are not that nice or thrashed, especially for owning it for 20 years. So that's rad. But yeah, cool car. Check it out. Working on a carburetor today for that Lincoln. So I soaked it all over through the weekend. Just got done putting it back together, so I'm gonna stick it on there and see how she runs. Commandeered Max's area here since he's not here, so it's kind of a nice little spot. Lay it all out. Get over here. Lay everything out and get it all organized, and yeah, so should be good. There it is. Fresh rebuild. Just finishing up on the Lincoln for Matt. This car came in as a no run. I gotta tell you, pushing this thing is no fun. This car is heavy. So we got it running, got the fuel system primed, found a fuel leak, and the carburetor kit was like 3 days out because it's the factory AFB on this thing. So kind of a different carburetor to rebuild, but seems to work pretty good. See if she fires up. Ah, love. Needs a couple more things though. It's got an exhaust leak, and we gave him a couple more things to think about down the road. But apparently he's had this car like 20 some years, so it's been down to Texas and around the US. God, hear that? That's nice. Yeah, pretty cool car. Big car.